Case number 134, Satala Devi Police Station, Narayan Kamble. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review internationally acclaimed The Court. Narayan Kamble is just an ordinary old man, teaching kids from the slum and always being the voice of the voiceless. And he is a human rights activist and always doing skits at local slums or the roads to bring awareness about their rights and how they can change the life they were given to or what the rights they were deprived of. Recently, a guy from the slum died in the sewer manhole, and Narayan Kamble is accused of urging that community of suicide because most of his speeches are about their rights and urging them to commit suicide instead of living the life they are living now. Vinay Bora is a lawyer fighting for the rights of the least among us. He takes his case and found out that his bail has been rejected by the court. The prosecutor always beat around the bush and talk about other stuff around him instead of the reality. The reality is that the security measures were not taken, and due to hazardous gas he died. So they don't want to take the blame. Instead they put the blame on a scapegoat, and Kamble is the very best choice for them to settle the score right now. That's why he is behind bars. His bail has been rejected multiple times, and he is being remanded for quite long. The year is gone, and throughout the year they didn't even notice that there is a huge mistake that they have made it. Prosecutor, lawyer versus judge, and the common citizen Kamble is crushed in this system. After a year they found out there is no concrete evidence written or anything against Kamble. Will he be able to get the justice? Will he be able to get the bail? The bail, what are the consequences that he has to bear it? But the answer or the conclusion of this story is not in case number 134, it is in 133. Case number 133, Radhanagar Police Station, Bankim Shah. That was the first case before him that was listened, and that narrates how our judicial system is so weak that they can say anything and can be told anything to the honorary judge. And you could be surprised by the thing that the lawyer was telling to the judge in this case. And this will sum up all the case of 134 as well, that how our system is. I hope you really enjoy this movie, and if you have any movie like this, because before they used to say that these are parallel cinema, but now they are more competitive and more commercial, and they are not saying commercial, but at least they have made a huge mark by coming to OTT network. I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great day. Bye bye.